Howdy folks, this is going to be the next toolbox project as I continue to fight my addiction to vintage toolboxes. I picked up this vintage snap-on set and I got to try and find out the model number, but I believe it's from the 60s. So the question I have for myself is, am I going to refinish it or am I just going to clean it? And this bottom box looks like it's been painted at some point. And I'm of course going to get that decal off of there. And there's a couple of the old style decals on there that are offensive in today's world probably, but I'll probably leave them on there. Now let's open it up and have a look. It's all nice and clean under there. I shouldn't say clean, it's nice and it's all there is what I meant to say. It's got the socket holder there. Needs a good cleaning. And there's the front. And the doors are all in good shape. Everything lines up good. Same at the bottom. So let's get it cleaned up and see what it looks like and decide whether or not we're going to redo it. I think it's too late in the year to start now, at least to get paint going and stuff. It's going to get pretty cold, but there it is. More later. So I'm going to soak this old decal in WD-40 and see if I can get that off. I'm not able to find a serial number anywhere, which from all the limited knowledge I have would indicate this is a 50s setup. If anybody has any information, feel free to share it, but it sure would appear that way to me. Been a lot of hands in this box over the many years. Alright, so here's the crap I managed to pull out of here. It's mostly just junk. There's some decent stuff in there, so I'll go through it after. And I'm told that this stuff is about the best stuff you can get to clean, so I'll find out. It comes from my wife, so we'll see. Okay guys, so I've cleaned this off and I've decided I'm just not going to be able to live with it, so this will be restored in the springtime, and I guess I'll try to put it to some use in the meantime, but that's the plan. And I cannot find the serial number anywhere, so my information tells me that if there's no serial number, it's the 50s, so I'm pretty happy with that. And that is one of the really old badges, so I'm going to get another badge for that drawer down there, but they go for a pretty hefty price, so I'll probably have to get a stick-on one, chrome looking, more modern, but I'll see if I can find one. I got lots of time to find one, so for the time being, this is my home for this thing, and I'll use it, and then next year I'll get it cleaned up and paint it. The drawers are all oiled, hinges are all oiled, Everything slides nice and free. So, really happy with this, and I'll catch you later.